really keep me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these daddies rope. Before we drift any deeper.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel yet again. My name is 𝐀𝐝𝐸 if you're here for the first time, but if you've been here before, get in and let's enjoy today's video. I lost the original clip of this vlog, which is why I'm doing a voiceover. Y'all, a quick story time. My landlord kicked me out of the house for no freaking just reason. She had the house management people spy on me, and one time I had my friend sleep over and she was so mad. She was like, she will not be renewing the contract with me because of that. And honestly, that makes zero sense because I mean, I own the house, I pay for the house. Why can't I have people over? Why can't people sleep over? But I feel like she only said that because I'm black and she doesn't want to rent a house to a black person anymore, and that's why she's just nitpicking and just being very unreasonable. And that's one of the downsides of being a foreigner in China. Most of the landlords, they will not want to rent a house to you. Even if they do rent a house to you, they are going to end up kicking you out for a very stupid reason. Finally, I decided to move out of the house, but before I moved out of this woman's house, oh my God, she showed me hell. Oh my God, she literally showed me hell. She said, oh, she feels like this house was flooded. Keyword, feels like. She felt like I flooded the house. She felt like I went to bed and I left the tap running and I flooded the house. Guys, the house was dry, but she just felt like the house was flooded. So for that reason, I need to compensate her. And if I refuse to compensate her, she's going to call the police on me. So I need to give her money. And I was like, what are you talking about? What do you mean I flooded the house? Am I a child? Why will I leave the tap running and go to bed? Like, clearly the house was never ever flooded. And she was like, oh, she's going to call the police. I need to pay her. I was just like, you know what? Call the police, because you're not going to intimidate me. Call the police. And because I could not really speak fluent Chinese, I just called like my teacher in school and I told him the situation. And when this woman saw me calling like my teacher in school, she was like, oh, what am I calling? I should not call anybody. I should just pay her. I should not call anyone. I should just give her the money. I'm like, what do you mean give you the money? I'm going to call my teacher to come here so that he will talk to you, because both of you speak Chinese. And when she saw that I was calling somebody, she was like, oh, I should not call someone. She's just going to give me the money. I should just go. Long and short of the money, this woman was one that ended up paying me. And that was that. Finally, I moved out of the house. And now I'm going to look for a new house. And my goal right now is not even to look for a fine house, even though I want a fine house. But like, my number one goal is to look for a landlord that is friendly and that is not racist. And also this time, guys, I'm not moving in alone. I'm not moving out alone. I'm moving in with somebody actually. Like, I've been having a roommate for the first time in my life, and I think you guys can already kind of guess what the roommate would be. If you know, you are kind of right, just comment it below. But anyways, let's just leave that one aside and let's go house hunting for now. All right, guys, so we're checking the first house, and this estate is so freaking lovely. I don't want to be so excited, because you know, when you're excited, they'll increase the price. But in my heart and my soul, I'm doing wow. But in my, I'm just saying, it's not bad, even though I know I like it. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys when we're inside the house. All right, guys, so this is the first house, and this is what the living room is looking like. I don't really see anything. It has a really nice view, actually. It has like a really cute window here. This is the other room. Like, see, it's literally the size of a square. If you put a wardrobe and a bed, there is nothing left in this room. So I don't know. And the view is honestly not so great. And then this is the master's bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. It is sizable, I guess. The wardrobe is quite ugly, I'm gonna be honest. I don't really like the wardrobe. I mean, it's peeling already and stuff, but beggars can be choosy. It's all right. And yeah, this room also has like a nice view. Yeah, this is the view of this room. And let me show you guys the kitchen. It's a 2-bedroom apartment with the kitchen. What were y'all talking? The man keeps taking videos of me. And this is the kitchen. The kitchen looks like a one-person thingy. Like, the view from the kitchen, not so great. But yeah, the overall interior of the kitchen is honestly not bad. I like the flooring of the house. The living room situation is not so bad, but this couch is really ugly. the walls are bare, and I don't know if they're bringing anything to that. The dining table is all right, guys. So this is the second house, and I sincerely like this one. Let's start from the kitchen. So this is what the kitchen is looking like. It has like blue I don't know, blue accents and gold, which is super pretty in my opinion. And I just really like it. Like the houseware is like black, it's pretty sleek. Yeah, I like it. And there is like a fridge here, like a gold fridge, which is not so bad. And what I really like about this house is this thing, like for storing. So you have like this thing here for storing, and this is like a dining area. Even though there is no chair, I believe they will bring the chair. And then you have the living room. You have this really cute table. You have this here. And this is the view. I feel like the house still needs cleaning. The windows are very dirty. The view is also similar to the first one. And now let's look at the room. This is the first room. The door is gold. Oh my gosh, I just love the attention to details in this house. Like, it's the little things, honestly. It's literally the little things that count. And yeah, this is the bed. It's giving Chinese, but I mean, we can make it work. There's like a blue accent. The wardrobe is so freaking pretty. Oh, now I love this house. I'm sorry, I really love this house. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Let me show you guys the view of the house. The window is dirty as well. They need to clean that. The window is filthy, super filthy. And then let me show you guys the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Yeah, this is the bathroom. I would have loved if this was black, but it's not so bad. Yeah, it's not so bad. And the washing machine is like see-through. But the problem, this room, remember I told you that I have a roommate now. So this room is extremely small. Guys, look at this room. It is so freaking small. That's the bedding. If they put the bed here, they put the wardrobe here, there is no space for the other person to do anything, which is bad. And the view is also not so bad, but the room is still too small. If it's just me, I don't mind, but I have a roommate. We cannot take this. All right, guys, so this is the other house we are checking now. The agent is outside. This is the big room, guys. This big room is so freaking small. Oh my gosh, no, the big room is too small. And this is what they have this space. This is the space. You have like this, you have this here, and then you have the bathroom, which is the size of a peanut. Like, guys, the bathroom is so freaking small. If you put a washing machine, there is nothing left here. And this is the second room, which I don't even know what this is supposed to be. This is a joke. Guys, look at this. It's literally like a study area. It's too small. And this is the living room. I think the living room is really big though. It gets a lot of light. It has a nice view. It's literally the same estate I live in, actually. This is my other estate. And yeah, it has like lots of lights, and it has a balcony. The balcony is still under construction. And it has a kitchen. That's the agent. The kitchen is pretty nice, actually. I like the kitchen. That's the only thing I actually like in this house. The kitchen is white, it's modest, it's pretty. But we're not going to take it because it's too small. It's not convenient for 2 people. Alright, guys, so this is the other room. The new house. I don't really know the situation in the kitchen. There's a whole rice cooker that is dusty. The kitchen is not really giving. And I like the fact that it gets a lot of light. This is the living room. I like the couch. It's kind of pretty. And then there's like a cute window here. I just feel like it's a little bit, it feels homey, but it's not giving that aesthetic that we want. And it has like this space again, like the other house. And then this is the bathroom. The bathroom is really clean. I like that. It's really neat. It has like towel rack. It has like soap rack already fixed. Oh, this shower is ugly. The heck is this? Oh my god. Stop it. And this is the first room. I believe this is the big room, which I don't like the dimension. Oh my god, what's this? Oh no, the headboard is so freaking small. Guys, am I being too picky? I don't know. But yeah, this is the room. Let me use 0.5. Okay, this is wide angle. This is how the big room looks like. I feel like the wardrobe is still very small. And this is the other room. It's not so small compared to the other rooms we've been seeing, but it's just not giving the aesthetic that we want, because, you know, we are 2. So, alright guys, so this is the other house we are checking. This is the first room, guys. This wardrobe is nice, but I don't understand what's this SSSS for. Like, guys, look at the beauty of this wardrobe. But that SS killed the vibe for me. The room is pretty cute. We obviously will make it into my room, but there's this little space which is like a turn off. Like, why is there little space? And the view is, it's not so bad, sure. I can manage it. And yeah, it has AC. Can you guys even see? It has AC. And this is what the bathroom looks like. It smells funky in here, I won't lie. It smells really funky. But it has like a window. It's really dirty, like they need to come and clean properly. And this is the second room. Yeah, this, guys, see, the second room is big. There is a bed and there's still like extra space, so like someone can actually live here comfortably. And yeah, it has like a nice view as well. Let me show you guys the kitchen. This is what the kitchen looks like. The kitchen is not so bad. It could be better, but I mean, we'll make do with this. And this is the dining area, and that's the living room. Hi guys, so this is day 2 of me apartment hunting. My energy is a little bit low because I'm literally just coming from class. Like I've been having classes since I woke up, and the last class I had was really boring. Like I literally slept all through that class, so my energy is not so high, but I'm trying to get back there. Anyways, we are going now to, because I told you like I'm renting with someone, so we're going out to go and check like other places. Hopefully we find somewhere. And you know, I just wanted to talk to you guys, like this might be helpful anybody watching this if you're going through anything in life, because literally this my landlord gave us less than a week to move out and find a place, and I'm currently writing like midterms. Well, I'm not writing, but like I'm preparing for my midterm next week, so it's like a lot is going on. I'm learning a new language, how to write the new language, which requires like a lot of focus and attention, but I can't even focus. Sorry, I'm in the car. I can't even focus because my focus is divided. I have to look for a house, so I'm not homeless, so there's a lot going on. But I just find myself like I'm not drowning, I'm not dipping it, I'm literally just like floating. I'm just like, okay, it is what it is. And like I'm this type of person, like I always have this mentality, like when something is falling apart, the first thing that comes to my head is never everything is falling apart. The first thing that comes to my head is, what next? Okay, so this woman told me to move, what next? Go and look for a house. Well, basically like my head just automatically thinks of a solution. I don't think of the problem. I don't. And like it just helps when you also focus on the positive. Like, okay, as now I'm moving to a new house, there is midterm, there's everything going on, but I mean, I'm moving in with someone, like I said, so it's like a new start for both of us. We can go look at houses that we like. You know, it's just like new environment. You guys also like my vlog, you've seen my old house many times. Now you guys will be seeing new houses. Also, like I'm filming apartment hunting, a new YouTube idea, like a new YouTube video idea. So there's just so much positive. Like I'm trying to focus on the positive. Like there's negative, but like I don't want to magnify it, I don't want to maximize it. Like I'm just putting all my energy into the positive, and that is really helping me to stay afloat. And I just want to say this, like if you're going through anything, try to focus more on the positive. Like don't give power, don't maximize the negative, focus more on the positive, magnify it, and just, you know, be happy. Anyways guys, I dressed really cutely today. We're almost at the agent's place. I'll show you guys like outfit of the day, and I'll show you guys the apartment we find today. Wish us luck, okay? Fighting. So we are at the new location. This is actually the same estate we came to yesterday. This estate is really pretty, so we are back at the estate again, but with different agents. So hopefully we'll find somewhere cute today, because you know our goal is actually to get 2 big rooms because we are 2 big people. All right guys, so this is the house she's showing us. This is how the bathroom looks like. I'm sorry for the noise, people are discussing in the living room. It's in the same estate as the one we came yesterday. It's not all of that, but like I mean, it's still something. This is the dining area. I don't really like it like that, but I mean, there is this. I mean, it's pretty basic. This is the view. It's so sunny. I don't think you guys can see it clearly, but every other thing is okay so far. It's just like we're just not looking at it like it could be on the, oh, and yeah, the room is actually very big, the second room, and that was our concern, so it's not bad. Okay, so now I'm filming in 0.5. This is the other room. It's quite big, and this is what the bathroom is looking like. There is a view from the bathroom, which is not all that. Then this is me. This is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing the sweater, I'm wearing my jeans, my hair, and yeah, we have the other room, the big room. Also pretty basic, honestly. It's just a basic room, and this is the view. Okay guys, I think we found the house. We love this house. So this is how it's looking. There is a couch right here, which is absolutely lovely. I love the curtain. There's like chandelier. There is a balcony, but I think construction is still going on there, but they'll probably fix that situation. There is a cute dining area here. Super cute, super lovely. I love it. The only problem is I think the kitchen entrance is a bit too small, but once you enter the kitchen, you have like this huge space. You have like the gas cooker. I absolutely love it, and I love the fact that it's like black, like houseware. It's not bad. I absolutely love it. This is the door to the kitchen. Hi Yona, let's go. So here you have the first room, which is big. Like look, there's space on both sides. You have the wardrobe, you have this lovely curtain, and then you have this amazing view. And then you have the other room. This is the other room. It's also big. I like it. There is a nice view. Well, not very nice. Yeah, and then the bathroom, one of my favorite things. This is the bathroom. I like the black courseware theme. There is no washing machine, but they're bringing a washing machine for us. There's the heater. Yeah, so basically this is it. We found a place. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. After all the searching and searching, we finally found a place. We're currently at the, what's it called, the retail place, the agent's place. So now we're currently at the agent place to sign the contract. I'm going to take you guys inside now. I'm standing in the sun to, you know, talk to you guys because, you know, I want the best lighting for this video. But alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, I found a place. Oh, hi, Emma. Hi guys, so this is day one in the house. We're going to be moving in tomorrow, and we want to just do some cleaning, like a little bit of cleaning because it's not so dirty. We have some people here trying to fix the Wi-Fi. Can you guys see? You know what, let me switch to like the back camera so I can show you guys around. So yeah, you can see they're fixing the Wi-Fi. We have like cleaning supplies everywhere, and we're just going to get to cleaning. This is the current state of my room. This is how it's looking now. I'll probably show you guys the finished products when I'm done, and you can see everywhere is just a mess. I'll check in back with you guys when we are done cleaning or when we are moving in.
Yeah.